Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to buy hosting and domain from Hostinger. Buying hosting and domain from Hostinger is very easy. First open the official Hostinger website. If you join through my link in the description, you will also get an extra 20% discount. So I highly recommend using my link to get that additional discount. Now click on the claim deal button. After clicking, you will see different hosting plans. The first plan is the premium plan. You can create up to 3 websites on it. The business plan allows you to create up to 50 websites, and the cloud startup plan allows up to 100 websites. Our plan includes a few domain. If you want to create a blogging or portfolio website, the premium plan is best. It has good speed and everything you need. But if you are planning to build e-commerce websites, online stores, or do drop shipping, then I strongly recommend choosing at least the business plan for better performance and features. After selecting your plan, you will be taken to the cart page. Here you need to choose the duration. I recommend selecting at least 12 months. If you have the budget, go for 24 or 48 months for better value. You will also see that you are getting a free domain and 3 months of extra hosting. To claim your free domain, go to the search box and enter your desired domain name. Make sure it's unique and available. For example, if you search actinary.com and it's available, you can select it and it will be free for 1 year. If the price appears, it's likely because the domain duration is set to more than 1 year. Just change it to 12 months and it will become 0. You can also review the details by clicking on this small arrow. You will see that the extra 20% discount is applied if you join through my link. Now click on continue. Next, you need to register your account, enter your email address, create a strong password, and then click register. After that, enter your basic details, confirm the payment, and you will be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. Buying hosting and domain from Hostinger is very easy. I hope this video was helpful for you.